Levy Films to present the check for 5 million pesos. Please remain on stage for a quick photo op with our winner as well. Thank you.
Dito na lang ako. Nakaupo. Sorry.
Daw. Ano ba? Yay! Ano ba? Thank you. Sino panalo Pure Gold? Direk Chris, thank you po. Sa jury, thank you po for the trust. Ano ba? Last film ko 2018 pa, so ano ba? 7 years? 8 years? So, long time. Yung 7 years na yun, hindi yun, nagpahinga lang ako, nag-rest, nagbakasyon. Like 7 years na continuous na push, try talaga to make a film. Tapos finally, yay! Thank you.
Joseph, what about yung film?
Tungkol saan? Tungkol po siya sa 1,000 pesos. Tungkol siya sa dad na birthday ng anak niya, tapos he'll do everything para maging maganda, masaya yung birthday ng anak niya. So yun. Thank you.
One down, 6 remaining. The search in the Isle of Visionaries continues. Congratulations, Mono no Aware by Direk BC Amparado. Once again, please join us on stage, Direk Chris and Sir Jim, to present the check. Please stand by for a quick photo op as well.
First of all, thank you po, Pure Gold, Sine Panalo, Direk Chris, Selection Committee. Kinakabahan po kayo. Maraming salamat po for the opportunity dahil magkakaroon ako ng chance na ilabas yung aming story na simpleng-simple lang naman. So, thank you po, Pure Gold.
About what?
Mono no Aware is, ibig sabihin niya is the point and sadness of a permanent fix. So, it's a film that will be shot in Japan. So, kaya ganun yung visual kay Elora kanina kasi yung character ko is a lonely death cleaner na OFW sa Japan. So, it's a story about life and death. Parang.
And now, revealing our third grant recipient. Congratulations, Apple of My Eye by Direct Fo Nazareno. To present the check, may we have Direct Chris and Sir Jim back on stage, please. Thank you. Please remain on stage for a quick photo op as well.
Nakakaba pala dito sa sinapanalo. Parang feeling ko awards night na. Thank you sa selection committee, of course, sa Tiwala. Thank you sa kay Direk Chris. It's my first time joining at sobrang excited ako kasi another avenue for us filmmakers to share our story. So, thank you po. Tungkol siya sa ano? Bago pa sabihin, yun na ako. Tungkol kay Apple of My Eye, tungkol siya sa batang na-inlove siya sa teacher niya. Tapos, hindi Ed Caribal pala niya yung tatay niya. So, it's a 10-year-old too. Pero hindi siya another to be. Cute. Yeah. Thank you.
Now to see the fourth recipient of the 5 million peso film grant from the 2026 Pure Gold Cinepanalo. Congratulations, Patay Luto, Dead Hungry, by Direk Carl Papa and Direk Ian Pangilinan. Direk Chris and Sir Jim, please join us once again on stage to present the film grant, and kindly remain on stage for a quick photo op as well. Thank you.
Thank you both so much for giving us the chance to make something crazy like this. We're going to be experimenting with a lot of different forms and a lot of different themes. And we're so excited to show you guys a story about love in all its different forms, whether it's family, it's gay love, it's like all forms of love at its forefront. So, I'm very excited to share the whole concept with you guys very soon.
Time to head back to our Isle of Visionaries and select our 5th Panalo sa Husay full-length filmmaker.